Hi, it's Deborah Harris here, and today I'm bringing to you volume tip number 7. It's a cash flow lever tip on how to build better cash flow in your business. And volume tip number 7 is about how you create more sales, more volume of sales. And my tip for today is make a list of the 100 people whose problem you could solve with this product, and then you systematically go out and find them. Now there's lots of ways you can go out and find them. You can try a direct approach, you can try sending some emails to them, or jump on the phone and make a call with them. But having a list of who you think you could solve a problem for makes it much easier to know how your marketing plans should be structured, how you can go out and get those people, how you can go out and find people who are like those people as well. So there's my tip of the day. Make a list of the 100 people whose problem you could solve with this product.